the shots.
Red Army!
I'm on the shots.
How does it feel to be, like, long-time shot supporter to have this club in Aldershot?
Fantastic, isn't it? It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience,
What's the atmosphere like in the Golden Lion?
Great, isn't it? You tell me, I think it's brilliant.
Where do you live?
I live just round the back here.
So you live in Aldershot, but you're a Man U fan?
I've been ever since I can remember.
So you're not tempted to pretend you're an Aldershot fan just for the night?
Well, I've got to admit, I'd like to see Aldershot do well. But obviously, I'm a Man United fan.
Glory hunter to the last.
Whatever. Yeah.
How do you rate Aldershot's performance in the first half?
They've done all right. They've held their own. It's a shame that goal at the second goal, but after a shaky start, they've done all right.
You played in the last game that Aldershot were playing United at home in the League Cup. What's the difference between that game and this?
The ball seems to be moving a lot quicker. We used to just pass the ball in, give it a couple of touches, and it's all one touch there now.
I'm sure I'm till I die.
Played well. I believe being a Premiership team is always going to be hard.
I think they're playing really, really well.
Yeah.
Do you know what? The morale is fantastic in Aldershot, and I think you don't need to be at the ground. Oh my God! You don't need to be at the pub. In the ground, you can be at the pub, and it's still the same atmosphere everywhere you go. And I really hope that they get even a goal. One goal will do us proud.
What will the place be like if we do get a goal tonight?
Oh, I vote. One goal.
What did you think of the match tonight?
It was really good. It was really well played. I think they played really well, seeing as Man U's like a really big team. I just liked seeing Jermaine. He's my favourite.
Tempted to come back to the recreation ground a bit more often then?
Yeah, I want to come on Saturday.
What was the best part of the night for you?
Probably the shots free kick. Nearly went in.
A goal would have been good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I was hoping for a goal at the last minute just to lighten the mood.
Was it good to see the rec full tonight and
Brilliant.
Yeah,
it was. Yeah, fantastic. It doesn't happen very often, and I just hope those supporters who come here tonight saw enough to come back to the ground, because they need more support.
What would you think was the best sort of passage of play? You think it was the first half before the second goal, maybe? Or?
I think the first half was good. They're good players. You see the Premiership players and the youngsters that come on. They're well clued up in their football.
Who was man of the match tonight for you guys, for United?
For United, I thought Vidic, he was just class. He's injured as well.
I'm an Aldershot man, born and bred, but I'm also a Manchester United fan, so I was on the winner whatever happened tonight. But I think the Aldershot fans enjoyed themselves. They made a lot of noise and they gave the team great support. So I think they can be proud of what they did tonight.
In terms of policing, what have you been doing tonight?
Right, we've had a very large-scale operation today. We've had over 7,100 fans, which is the largest capacity we've had for a long, long time. Very, very good. A very electric atmosphere in there. Very, very peaceful. We had 9 ejections for minor types of things, which we worked with the stewards on. 1 minor arrest as well. Other than that, it's been very, very good. Football's been good, I believe, although I never saw any of it, unfortunately.